The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Thank you, Dennis. Sight and sound is good. Fellas, very good morning. Today, of course, is Friday, the end of another week. Hope everyone had a happy Friday to you, Pascal. Hope everybody had a terrific afternoon. A few folks are here on trial. Good morning and welcome. Welcome back. We do have some trials that are beginning this morning with the newer system implemented over the last 6 months, I guess. We have trials that are starting on Friday, which is something I never historically had started trials after a Wednesday. But in any event, if you guys are here today on trial, I suggest that you just kind of, good morning, Eric. You guys just kind of observe what's going on. And then on Monday, the real, I guess the real crux of your trial will begin. And on Monday, I will kind of go over everything. For those of you that have been here through the week and at least the last couple of days, today is Friday. On Friday, I don't do a ton of trading. My goal on Friday is that we get out of this profitably. Happy Friday, Brett. We get out of this profitably. We end the week on a positive note. And we come back next week and do it again. I don't like having a down day on a Friday because we can't come back tomorrow and do it again. Copper's getting beat to death. Hell of a trade on copper today. Oof. Just looking at 709, that thing took a beating. In any event, I do want to share, and in the email, Chuck says, I thought you would enjoy seeing this. Below is a screenshot of my monthly payouts. This is from presumptively Apex. Since starting with you back in July or August. Trending in the right direction for sure. Thanks for all you've done to help me in the process. So in October, he had a $500 payout. In November, $1,000. In December, $4,084. January, $5,694. February, $6,193. And in March, a drum roll please here, $12,620 for $33,845. Okay, pretty impressive. And I asked him, I responded, and I said, how many PAs to generate 12,600 this month? 8 different PAs with payouts in March. Slow and steady. Regards, Chuck. So, guys, I've always subscribed to the belief that if one person can do anything, then anybody can do it. And I'll talk to Chuck and see if maybe I can interview him. We'll keep him somewhat relatively anonymous, lest he gets 704,000 emails. But I'll see if I can do an interview with him and just ask him questions, etc. And if he's open to that, I can do it with GoToWebinar like I'm doing here, and just ask questions. Adam, he's doing both. So Adam asked a question, is he doing manual trading or strictly using bots? He's doing both. So Chuck has the algo. I don't know if he's got the original bot. I don't recall. And he's also taking manual trades. I have to believe that he has a very strict daily goal and daily draw, which is something I, preach, right? Eventually you put on enough risk and you get popped in the head. In any event, guys, for today, I'm kind of dragging my feet here. I'm slow rolling it here. 8:30 we have non-farm payrolls. So we're obviously not going to trade ahead of non-farm payrolls. For those of you guys that, are still kind of doing that burn one to earn one, I would think that today is probably a day you could try a burn one to earn one. At 10:45, we have a Fed speaker, Bowman. So we'll be close to wrapping up our session. We also have Williams speaking at 10:45. At 12:20, we'll be gone. But some of you may still be trading. At 12:20, we have yet another Fed speaker. And then at 12:30, we have Powell. Fed's Powell is speaking. So if you guys are still trading this afternoon, just be aware that we have a number of Fed speakers just before and after we've left the room. I know some of you guys are, trading much of the day. And then at 1 o'clock, Kugler speaks again. So in any event, for those of you guys that are here on trial for the first day, I have a daily process. I actually read the disclaimer. I'm not required to read the federal U.S. government disclaimer, but I do. I then go through charts, and in the case of today with non-farm payrolls at 8:30, we'll just kind of sit around for a few minutes. So moving along here, let's read the disclaimer. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk.
Breaks at 120, it might get up to 42.
If
not calling a trade.
What breaks 120?
NASDAQ.
Oh, NASDAQ. Yeah, it's probably going to happen on the news, though.
Yeah, no, I'm not calling it.
Hit target, no fill. Hit 13 to the tick, did not fill. But it's breaking structure short now on the 3 minute.
Target fill.
There it is. Guys, anybody have any questions? Holler. We're not doing anything till after the news. I
Well,
mean, I'll
shit.
trade ES. I have no issue with trading the ES. That's why, I've been gone, looking at gold, natural gas, and copper. I mean, I'll look at silver as well. I know you guys, some of you may not want to trade silver, but I mean, the thing is, Adam, you're asking me about basically a generic stop and target. I don't use generic stops and targets. I mean, you can start with that.
It broke 10, didn't it?
It did break 10.
Near the resistance now. Be right back.
All right, Greg. Nice job, Pascal. All right, fellas. And small buyers on the open. If this is going to bid, it's right there. 56, 57. It's kind of the area I like for a long. I would try it long at 63 here. I would try a 63. I don't think I can get there, damn it.
Order submitted.
I would try this 63. There's a lot of resistance up here.
Order filled. Target filled.
There's target. Target one at least. And, well, come on. Let's go. Break even.
Stop filled.
That's it. Break even. I'm liking this. This 3 minute is trying to go long. If it gets above maybe 90, this 3 minute can go.
I'm in copper, by the way, there, Robert. Not in that.
Copper. Long?
Yeah, didn't you say 185 you liked?
No.
Order submitted.
285.
Yeah, well, it's in a buy zone. I like it. I'm in it.
Hang on, guys. This freaking thing. Bear with me, guys.
Order canceled.
Okay.
Net gas.
Come on, higher high, let's go. Watch a break below 81 for a short.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Original bot long. Algo, the 500 tick algo is out.
Target filled.
Target 1,
filled.
target 2. Remember, daily goal's $1,000. If this gets that last contract, it's done for the week, fellas. It'll be well over $1,000. I have no trades yet in gold. Crude is down $40 on the bot. Crude, I like still longs. Come on, NASDAQ, one more pump.
Break of 134 ought to kick some things off.
Filled.
All right, 600. Break of what?
134. I'm sorry. 138 quarter. 134. I think it's going to be some resistance.
NASDAQ is psychotic again. Target 1
Stop
and
filled.
out. Damn it. Come on. Come on, man. Give me that grand and be done. Watch below 71.50. That was the trade. Took the stop. All right, now I want the break even. I don't need a runner here. I don't need a runner. It's over $1,000. It's done. That's it for the day. That's it for the week. Daily goal hit every day this week.
Target filled.
I think the worst day it had was 1680, which was yesterday, 1650. It did it on the first trade and I shut it off. This will be over that now. Got to get above 76 for this show to keep going. They're buying them up. We're down 1,300 contracts. Resistance right here, 65. Got buyers. If it pushes through this, I have a top side at 237.
Stop filled.
All right, 1605. It is done. 3 or 4 trades, all winners, done. No mas.
Nice work.
Roberto Duran. No mas. No mas. I would check your settings. But you are up 1470, so if you want to argue for a couple of $100, I don't think we're going to do that. Nice job, Lita. Doop-de-doo. That 240 is stuffing it. Come on, buy some more. Buy some more. 500 buyers in here, guys. Come on, one push to first target, I'll be happy. Come on. Oh, hits target, doesn't fill it. It's trying. Not gonna. Come on. Next 5-minute bar in 42 seconds. Okay. small sellers in here. I wouldn't be getting short.
You got it.
There it is.
Order canceled.
Got 2 targets.
Order canceled.
It's up $1,000. 3 for 3. She's done. She's done. It's a Friday. Everything's up $1,000. Come on. Who takes shorts? Let's go. We're into some support here. We've really got to push below 54 to make this a whale. I mean, it's already a whale, I guess, right? $700 runner. Somebody check and see if Buy-Side Global's in the trade.
I'm talking to him on the phone, so
I'm at 78 stop, fellas. Come on, break here.
Stop build.
All right, out. I'm up 1332. You know, just like that. Come on, you turkey. Give me that target. Oh, don't you do that. Come on. I've got an 82 target, guys. I'm at 80. Come on. Right back to the breakout. Need to get above 67.5. 68. I cannot believe that didn't go to my damn target. I can't believe it. 78.5. I can't believe 6 ticks I missed that by. You fucker.
that 120 area.
Huh?
Watch that 120 area. I can't see where your stop is at.
My stop is going to be 35, I think.
Oh, okay.
I still think it's going to get there. It's got to get through 64. If it gets through 64, it's going. It's farting around in this stupid 2-minute chart. Come on, you push through it once. Let's go. There it goes. Come on. Push. Damn, this 2-minute. It's killing me.
Somebody talk. Yeah, there's somebody speaking, right?
What time is it? No, 10:45.
Yeah. 10:15. Bowman speaks.
10:45, Bowman. That's what I have.
10:45 will be Williams.
I have Bowman and Williams at 10. I could be
Oh,
wrong. I could be
okay.
wrong.
I go with yours.
Give me the top.
Order
Can have it.
build.
Close enough for government work here, guys. But I still think it gets 90, 82.75. You guys, 10:15 for Bowman, Paul said. Okay. You guys good? Fellas, anybody take that trade? Okay. It's this damn 2-minute. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. There's my target. And it didn't get 82.75. Oh, I think that got that to the damn tick. It sure did. Come on, baby. Let's go. It's holding the 2-minute cloud. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud. 87 has to break. If anybody is short. This is 3-minute support coming up right here at 82.75, right where we stopped. If that breaks, this thing gets bamboozled. That's an add-in for me.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. First target for me is 68.50.
Order submitted.
Come on, don't hold here. Let's go. Come on. Really don't want it. There we go. Come on, got to get down now below 90 again. This could bounce back up to 35. Good. I don't know that it will, but come on, break this 3-minute. Let's go. There it goes. Now take that. There it goes. It's only $900. What the fuck?
Order filled.
There's target, fellas. Anybody short? Anybody add in? She's a peach. What movie's that from?
That is from Face Off.
Caddyshack.
I thought you were talking about that John Travolta and Nicolas Cage.
That's a peach, hun. You guys having fun? Target one hit on gold. Why did that not go to break even? Target one hit on gold. Gave a second signal. Here was the initial signal in trade. Gave a second signal on this candle higher up. That's why you see the staggered targets. But target one is hit and filled on gold. Now we got to get below 31 and I'll like this. Well, just like that, 22 to 24. God, I hate when that happens. Now 46. I mean, you could get all the way to 61 because there's really nothing here, right? Anybody long? Anybody take that? Okay, good job, Andrew. Did your I want to say, I can tell you, no, I don't think so. I think I finished down 15 something yesterday. Um, I don't have, I didn't mark it. Yesterday I finished down 15.25. First losing day of the month. But it's back up again today, 1,085, and I shut it off. There might have been. I shut it off. I took the loss. I wasn't here. That's why, Joe. Guys, that 3-minute is still in shorts. Is there anybody that needs a trade that does not have a trade? Or I mean, that may be down. Do I have anybody that's down? I'm done at this point. I'm at 2602.50. And not much in the way of trades for the algo. Algo 3.1 is up $75, which means it took a trade and got target one. That's it.
Target filled.
Oh, here's your crude broke down. So why is that split? So crude is going to finish
Target filled.
target 2. I'll come back to this in a second, to the original bots. Boy, this volatility got stupid. And crude is selling hard. Algo 3.3,
Target filled.
all 3 targets hit on crude. What the hell just happened, guys? Somebody tell me what's going on. That's got to be a Trump thing. Got to be. Putin ready for truce. Okay. Let's talk about the algo. I mean, the bot. This is the original bot, guys. Here's your original bot. Okay. So running the original bot on the NASDAQ, gold and crude. We've got a 1605, 350, and 660. $2,600 today on the bot. Okay. And I shut NASDAQ off at daily goal. Oof, look at that crude trade. Wowza. Trial members, if your trial ends today. Oh, and then from a discretionary standpoint, I'm at 2602.50. I forgot to mention 500 tick up, 1,085 when I shut it off. All right, so algo's up, the original bot up. Everything is green. We're green across the board. I am